I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator's coils, and my dad's going to help me.
Hello.
So let's get into the coils and clean it. So the first thing we got to do is take the panel off. So my dad's going to help me with that. Let's take a good look at that. Oh, good grief, that is a mess. Okay, so the good thing to do is find an old toothbrush laying around the house and find a stick laying around in your garage. So let's tape it. So now we're gonna tape it, so let's get the tape and let's just wrap it around the stick. Just wrap the tape. Then tape that. Like that. So we're going to use a brush. So we're going to use a brush after we do that. So let's get into those coils. So we're going to use the vacuum, and so let's get into all those coils. It's really dirty, so let's get into it. Don't forget to clean the panel before you put it back on. Clean now, we're going to put the panel back on. Like that. Get the outside like that. So, do it yourself. I hope you learn a lot. Do it yourself. Have fun.